Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Monday, the 19th of May, 2025. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. Microsoft has released emergency updates for Windows 10 to address a critical issue, causing some users to be unexpectedly prompted for BitLocker recovery. The problem primarily affected enterprise-managed devices, disrupting normal operations and access to locked systems. This swift patch aims to rectify the recovery issue and prevent further inconvenience for users. Japan has enacted the active Cyberdefense law, permitting preemptive offensive cyber operations to counter threats, marking a shift from its traditional pacifist stance to align with Western powers. This law authorizes government agencies to hack back and neutralize hostile infrastructure, enhancing Japan's ability to support allies and handle advanced cyber threats under a revised interpretation of Article 9. The Japanese government plans to fully operationalize this legal framework by 2027, with measures in place to ensure surveillance respects personal rights. A malicious package named dbgpkg has been discovered on the Python package index, PyPI, disguising itself as a debugging tool while secretly delivering a stealthy backdoor. Researchers revealed it modifies code and stays hidden until specific modules are activated, raising security concerns for open-source software repositories. The package is suspected to have links to the pro-Ukrainian hacktivist group Phoenix Hyena, prompting experts to advise developers to carefully examine utilities before installation. The UK government has confirmed a massive data breach following a hack of the legal aid agency's online platform, impacting applicants from as far back as 2010. The compromised data possibly includes sensitive information such as contact details, national ID numbers, criminal histories, and financial particulars, potentially affecting over 2 million individuals. Hackers have threatened to publish the data, marking a significant security breach within the British criminal justice system. Arla Foods has reported a cyber attack that has significantly disrupted their production processes, leading to delays. The dairy giant is working to mitigate the impact, but the full scope of the damage is still being assessed. Authorities have been notified, and measures are being implemented to prevent future incidents. NHS England has introduced a new cybersecurity charter asking suppliers to commit to 8 security measures in response to increasing ransomware threats. Key commitments include multi-factor authentication, 24/7 cyber monitoring, current patches, and maintaining standards met in the Data Security and Protection Toolkit. Suppliers must also ensure immutable backups, prepare for rapid recovery, and follow software code practices. The healthcare sector experienced a rise in cyberattacks in 2024, with 45 significant incidents reported, surpassing other industries. These attacks mainly involved phishing and exploiting vulnerabilities in edge infrastructure, allowing attackers to establish future attack access. Contributing factors include the increasing personalization of phishing, the expanding digital footprints of healthcare organizations, and the exploitation of trusted supplier relationships. Ex-administrator of Breachforums, Connor Brian Fitzpatrick, has agreed to forfeit $700,000 in a civil lawsuit related to a healthcare data breach. This case marks the first instance where a data breach victim receives compensation directly from a cybercriminal's assets. Fitzpatrick, facing additional criminal charges, awaits resentencing in June after his initial sentence was overturned for underestimating the gravity of his offences. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall. We appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares, stay informed and secure in the digital world.